Friends, welcome to your channel, your unstoppable traveling destination. You are with us in our Hyderabad series. In our previous episodes, you have seen how we have travelled in first class AC coach from Bangalore to Hyderabad and stayed in Hotel Deccan Serai. I have started my tour here showing you Salarjung Museum, which is one of its fantastic one. Today, sit back, relax and check out this urban park which has come just adjacent to Hussain Sagar Lake, one of the major attractions in Hyderabad. Friends, check out this place. I'm sure you would like to relax here any time in the day, but specifically I would say evening time would be the best one. Why? Check it out. There is a huge statue of Lord Buddha is installed in the tank, friends, which can be reached through paddle boats here. This also holds musical fountain shows and important tourist spots in the city. Major attractions evening time. If you go there, you can check out the laser show. However, it was not functioning at that point of time and we missed it out really, friends, but that's one beautiful option to find out in this park if you are checking out in the evening time. See, while speaking with you all, we have reached to this T and Jaya Park, which is popularly known as Lumbini Park. Let's go inside and check it out. Do you know, friends, this artificial lake Hussain Sagar is largest artificial lake for Asia, friends, an apt place for relaxation, in fact quite popular among kids. Your host Mayuri welcome you all to enjoy all of this only at Unstoppable Digital Traveling, where we travel along with the families. There are a lot of fun rides, more like a mini entertainment park right in the middle of the city by the side of a beautiful lake. That's an ideal park according to my choice, friends. If the park is situated just next to a beautiful lake, that's so much soothing for your eyes as well as for relaxation, isn't it? Let me know your comments. How many of you also like a park associated with a lake?
So we are entering into the Lumbini Park. So behind me is the ticket counter. So that is the ticket counter and we have to purchase our tickets before heading towards the park. So we are entering into the park. The ticket is being checked. Hi. So the bag checkings are being done. We also have metal detector checking. Hello sir. You can see this thing. So there's a beautiful fountain here. We have laser show, canteen, boating jetty, water cascade. Here you are. Oh, are you excited? Come. Come.
You can check out this cool multimedia waterfront here, friends, which they have made. This park is in the close proximity of another important tourist destination, Birla Mandir in Hyderabad, friends. So you can plan to visit both.
So I will show you from this angle. This is a man-made waterfall, as you can see behind me. It's looking beautiful right now in the evening. Joel, will I try that? Will I go? Why not? One time, only one time. I am really excited to do, but Joel would not allow me to do that. So right in front of me is the Hussain Sagar Lake. See Indian flag on top of that. Beautiful. So high. Girl. This is a very nice park. You should definitely come. It's a beautiful evening out here in Hyderabad right now.
This looks like a popular part here. People can come here to hang around. I think, no?
Yeah, definitely.
There is a good ambience here. There's nice lake, boating, everything you can see that side. We are not going to do boating, right? We are not going to do boating, right?
No, I don't think it is possible right now.
With Jewel, half of the things are not possible. How much possible, that much we are showing you. So,
But we can show you how the boating looks like. See, there are some boating going on. Excuse me. Go for baby drying in 2-3 minutes. Same to same drying. Only 2-3 minutes. Hand reading is also there. Palm reading. You can see there is a palm reader also here. And this is the Hussain Sagar Lake right there. See, people are chilling, sitting in the park, relaxing on this beautiful evening right now. There are some small shops also here, which Mayuri is currently going through right now. Not sure if she is going to buy anything. Jewel, what are you doing? Hey, see this.
What?
You like it? You like it? So, Jewel is quite excited. She's touching everything, whatever she's getting. What you want?
fish.
Who is fishy? You want to take that? Come, we'll buy you something. Come, I will buy you something good. Chalo. No, we are going there. Come. So, this is the area where boating is done. You can see it is mentioned there. Way to boating. That is the boating. That is how it is happening. So you can see that boating is happening over there. Mechanized boat, speedboat at 350 rupees. So if you can see on top of this, there's a Buddha statue behind me, right there. Hey Joel, say hi to the viewers. Say hello to everyone. What are you doing? Why are you being so naughty? This is the place you need to wear the life jackets over here. Once you are wearing the life jacket, these are how the boats come in.
Boating is definitely one of the best part here, friends, where people can go to that Buddha idol placed in the middle of the tank band in the boats. The park is in fact maintained by Buddha Purnima Project Authority under the Ministry of Government of Telangana.
There's another boat coming in at speed. And you can see the Indian flag flying high. And here it's going to start, so I was going to show you that. The excitement started, and this is how it goes. So that is the beauty of this one. There's another boat going. You can also see that. That one. तो यहाँ पे कितना करके है चार्जेस? 350 रुपीज़ ना 4 लोगों के? 4 लोगों के
4 जनों के लिए 350.
Okay. So for 4 people it will be charging 350 rupees, and you have to wear the life jacket definitely for going there. you can see there are quite few shops behind me that has got ice cream over there and some kind of water and cold drink stuff kind of thing. So Sona, come here. এখানে ফটো খুব ভালো আসবে। Sona, the speed boat. See. The mechanized boat. You can also go through this boat. You can buy ticket at first. Very nice environment in the evening right now here. People are hanging out, chilling out. Some loud music is being played in that houseboat next to me. Okay, you can get a glimpse of that, yes. You want to dance? You want to have some fun?
It's nice, right?
Say hi to viewers.
You want to? Train.
Where is the train?
No train here.
There is no train here. Let's buy some toys.
She is behind only toys. She wants to buy some toys.
So this place is getting a bit of crowded now, as we have. It is 6:45 now in the evening, and you can see a lot of people are coming in. Many people are going to board the boat. Many are also coming out.
Friends, do you know something? On 25th of August 2007, two bomb blasts in Hyderabad actually killed 44 people and injured almost 60. One of these two blasts occurred during the evening hours in the lesser auditorium that had around 500 people at the time of the incident. After a few days, these were investigated thoroughly, and then the park was reopened to the public after installation of metal detectors.
Wow! Again.
So we had a nice time there in the evening. Let me know how did you people liked it. This particular park has, big friends, India's first spectacular water multimedia show in form of laser show. This show plays daily to large number of audiences, and it combines full spectrum of media elements from dazzling laser animation, live videos, stunning sound quality, along with rhythmic musical fountains and extraordinary beam effects. We definitely missed it out, something that portrayed on one of the largest water screens in India. Check out this park if you are visiting Hyderabad, and if you get to visit in the evening time, it's the best. If you like our journey, be definitely part of our family by joining, subscribing Unstoppable Digital Traveling. We are much more to explore in Hyderabad. Stay with us.